autonomous robotics, critical communications, advanced predictive maintenance. Across environments, enterprises are increasingly looking at customized 5G experiences for low latency, dedicated capacity, extended range, and security. Private 5G augments Wi-Fi with a highly reliable, flexible kind of wireless connectivity. Over the next 5 years, use of private cellular networks is expected to increase by 1,400%. Here's how it works. Private 5G networks are based on 3GPP industry standards for interoperability and leverage shared or unlicensed spectrum. A converged 4G, 5G core works with indoor or outdoor dedicated small cell radios to provide wireless connectivity to SIM or eSIM-enabled devices such as tablets, handhelds, and IoT devices. For easier operations, new management solutions will bring private 5G and Wi-Fi together with a single pane of glass and shared policies. Private 5G's unique capabilities enable it to support use cases such as devices that move rapidly, such as automated robotic vehicles, and require seamless connectivity and fast handovers. Critical communications and push-to-talk in challenging environments that leverage secure, SIM-based identity management. Large coverage areas, especially outdoors, that benefit from private networks' higher power and receiver sensitivity so that fewer radios are needed. Separating back-office communications from public networks, adding capacity that complements existing Wi-Fi. And filling public cellular coverage gaps with an alternative to costly distributed antenna system deployments. From making factories smarter to improving patient care and more, enterprises like yours are just beginning to discover the game-changing outcomes made possible by integrating Wi-Fi with private 5G.